Dior. Now today I'm gonna do unboxing. I just bought this Sodo SD-1004 Bluetooth earphone, which is 5.0 Bluetooth version, and so I'm gonna do unboxing. And I bought it actually with the brown color, and I bought it from Shopee. So I'm gonna give you a link to the video below. So if you would like it, if you want to purchase it, so go to the link. Okay, so this wireless headphone, it's very cheap. If on a second, it's 33 ringgit 85 cents, something like that, and you can check from the time to time. And now I'm going to do unboxing, so let's have a look into the details on the box. It's a model, and then wireless headphone. Music should make the spirit of the human spark burst. Music give inspiration to rise born for music. This is actually from Taiwan. It's something like a premium from Taiwan, but it's very cheap. And this is the application. Use Bluetooth or aux connection, and then 6 to 8 hours working time. TF card access port, built-in microphone, walk and talk. SD-1004, Bluetooth 5.0, driver size 40 mm, which is the usual one, and frequency response 20 to 18 kilohertz. If it's more, if it's lower for the first one and more for the back one, means the sound will be like more bigger. Impedance 32 ohm, and then playback time 6 to 8 hours. Charging time 2 hours. Battery 3.7 volt, not 5 volt, the normal one. 250 mAh, which is very slow. So that's it. Okay. I'm actually working in the music industry, in music line, and I also produce songs. So music quality is actually very essential for me. And I didn't test this yet. This is actually my first Sodo product. What's in the box? Okay, this is the headphone, plus with everything inside. Okay, pull it off. Okay, there's a headphone. I chose a chocolate color, and this is the charger, which is using the Android normal one, the normal connection. And this is the manual, and that's it. There's no aux wire. Okay. Then these three. Let's look into the headphone. So how does it look if I wear it? Is it okay? Nice? I don't know, I don't have the mirror, so well, okay. It feels comfortable, and it feels like shut outside of the sound, and it feels nice. Chihuahua, good. And it's very not to say light, not to say heavy also, and it's, although that the price is like so cheap, 33 ringgit or 34 ringgit, but look into the finishing. This is actually a premium quality. Look into the finishing, chrome, and then this is like a leather, but it's a Fox PVC or something. And look inside here, it's all a very premium one. It's very nice. None of it like you know, if you bought the cheap cheap thing, and there's some mistake here and there, but nah, it's nice. And okay, below here there's a next and play and stop, and also answer call, and also aux connection and charging, and also the TF card, which is to on it. Same, press like few seconds until blue color. Then you can connect to your phone. So I'm not going to do the sound quality whatsoever. It will be another video. So I just want to tell you, this is a good stuff actually. Although that I didn't use it, but it sold quite a lot. So we can see from there. And manual. Let me just wear it. This is a manual. User manual. In Chinese and in English. Okay, so nothing much also. We already know how to use it. Okay, so that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching.